Hey, happy Friday. Are you ready for the weekend? So I am coming to you live to show you a fun little late night snack on this Friday night called Pizzokie. So let me know if you've ever heard about Pizzokie and put it in the comments, all right? If you're watching this live, comment live. If you're watching in replay, comment replay. But we are going to make some Pizzokies tonight. It is Friday night. We're going to have like movie night. So it's something fun for the kids. So are you ready for summer? Who's ready for summer? Put it below. Put it in the chat. Oh my God, it's going to be 95 in New York tomorrow. 95. I don't think I've ever seen it be 95. But anyway, so we're going to make some Pizzokies. So if you don't know what that is, it's just basically chocolate chip cookies turned into a pizza. Okay, that's literally all it is. Okay, we're going to use some cast iron and we're going to hang out. But before I go there, I don't know if you've been following my posts. I've never done this before. This is the first time. And it's the first time that Pamper Chef has done this. So if you're new here, hi. But I have a goal of getting 20 organizations to do a Pamper Chef fundraiser, any nonprofit organizations, because right now we're doubling the percentage that cash value that is going to the organization. So you can help me in two ways, okay? You can either say, hey, I have a nonprofit, I know of a nonprofit, let's do a Pamper Chef fundraiser. And or if that's not the case, that's okay too. Maybe you're like, hey, you know what? I haven't done some Pamper Chef shopping in a long time. Maybe I need to stock up my pantry on some of their bundles. Maybe I need to buy some gifts, graduation gifts, wedding gifts, Father's Day, things for outdoor entertaining. And you can comment below with any of these fundraisers and say, send me the link, and I will send you the link for these fundraisers, okay? So we have some of the popular ones. We have a St. Jude fundraiser. We have Feeding America. We have Ukraine World Kitchen. We have Global Emancipation Network, a sexual abuse, healing, and prevention fundraiser, Sparrow's Nest. They basically help cancer patient kids and bring them meals, which is really cool. American Cancer Society. We have Fort Hood Fisher House. We have Papa's Nest for animals. We have Open Hands, Overflowing Hearts. We have Auto-Inflammatory Alliance. We have Bread and Roses Soup Kitchen. So a lot of food, cancer, animals. My Safe Place Pet Rescue. So if you're into animals, you can support one of those fundraisers. And if you are, military or veteran, you guys know my husband retired after 20 years a couple years ago. We also have the Wounded Warrior Project. So if you see anything tonight, or if you know you need to do some shopping, say, send me the fundraiser link for X, and we would love your support because I have a really, really big goal, and I only have until June 5th to reach that max donation that I'm looking for, okay? But that's it. If you can't help, that's okay. Maybe you can just share, hit the share button, tag a couple friends. Maybe there's some people that want to purchase Pamper Chef, need some new kitchen items, and want to support a fundraiser. Or if you know someone, if you know your friend runs a nonprofit organization or whatever, you can tag them in here as well, okay? But we are going to make a Pizzokie with the chocolate chip cookie mix from Pamper Chef. And if you didn't know, the cookie and the brownie mix is and can be made vegan too. So you can use a substitute for eggs and butter, and all the ingredients in here are vegan friendly. Vegan, non-GMO, it's actually gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and made without nuts, which is really cool. And the reason I decided to make this tonight is because I just got an order in. I stocked my pantry. So that's really cool. That's a really cool perk of being a Pamper Chef consultant is you never pay full price for any item, or you can even get them free. So I stocked up my pantry because I was out of a lot of things, so I just got this order in. So I have caramel latte bread, so good. Donut mix, we have beer bread, the famous beer bread, everybody loves that. We have a pizza crust for pizza night, and we have pretzel dough, and we have some other things, but that's what came in my box today. Okay, so let's get the show on the road. So this is super, super simple. I was a little skeptical when I first tried this mix because sometimes I eat a lot of healthy stuff and some stuff is not good. Okay, so I was a little skeptical that it was vegan and all that fun stuff, but it's actually really good. It has almost has like a little, like it's not soft and it's not crunchy, it's like an in-between, almost has like a little muffiny texture. I feel like. So, okay, so that's the cookie mix. You can see it's got lots and lots of chocolate chips, okay? If you guys are popping in live, say hi. Hello, Angie. Hello, Sherry. Hi, Samantha. Thanks for popping in. We are making a Pizzokie. And then it's just 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of butter, or if you're vegan, you can substitute that, right? So let me go get the melted butter. Okay, and I'm using our cast iron. So this is the 10-inch cast iron piece, and this month you can get it on sale. It comes in our starter kit. So for $49, you can get this, some other products, and it comes in our starter kit, which is really, really cool. So, okay, anybody looking for some late night snacks for the kids? Make a Pizzokie. This would be fun in the summer. Because you're doing this in the cast iron, you could do this in your, you know, when you're going camping. You could do it if you're going RVing, if you are just having a barbecue outside. You can make it on your barbecue because, of course, it's cast iron. Any cast iron lovers here? Let me know. Are you new to cast iron? Drop a 1 if you're new to cast iron, and drop me a 5 if you love cast iron. So I had to learn about cast iron. Never really used it too much until Pampered Chef came out with it, but I'm learning my way around it. I do still love my nonstick pans. I just definitely do that. So the thing about this cookie mix is it is very dense. So when I first made it, I'm like, is that right? Does that look right? But it is. It just kind of comes out like that. And if you're technically using a vegan alternative for eggs and butter, you could totally eat this. Right? You could make some cookie dough. Okay, so I am going to just grease my cast iron to make sure this comes out nice and easy. So what would you top this with? Have you guys had that? I think it's what is it, Applebee's? Is it Applebee's? It has like a monster cookie in something like that, and like a smaller cast iron. We also have baby cast irons. That would have been fun too. I could have used those, but that's okay. And they top it with whipped cream or ice cream maybe? What would you top this with? The Pizzokie. Pizzokie. So if you're popping in live, come in live, say hello. Sherry's very familiar with cast iron. Okay, I love it. Okay, almost there. And if you're just popping in, if you want to support any of these fundraisers and you want to do some shopping, comment below. I have a pretty big goal of raising tons and tons of funds for at least 20 organizations. I have 14 organizations right now that are running fundraisers, and I have room for 6 more until June 5th. So if you have a nonprofit organization or you have an organization near and dear to your heart, please let me know. It is super easy, I promise you. It's not hard to run a Pampered Chef fundraiser. Okay, here we go. We're gonna dump this in here, and then this is gonna go in the oven. If I used the small ones, I could have put this in the air fryer because I hate, I'm so spoiled now that I have the Pampered Chef air fryer. I've had it for like 2 years, but I hate turning on the oven unless I have to because it heats up my whole house, and then I have to wait for it to preheat versus the air fryer just starts up, right? Okay, what's up? What's happening this Friday night? Ice cream for sure. Yeah, I might have to go get ice cream. I don't think I have any ice cream. I should have made ice cream. I have an ice cream maker. I need to get ready for summer. I need to get my ice cream maker in my freezer. That's a good reminder. Thanks. Who was that? Samantha? Somebody said that. Fruit dip, sliced strawberries, and chocolate. Ooh, sliced. I do have strawberry. Did I even guys? I think I still have strawberries. My kids go through strawberries like it's nothing, right? So just kind of push it down. I actually find this a lot easier than the individual cookies. One less thing to dirty, which is the Scooby Scoop. And it's actually kind of satisfying to push this down. All right, any questions we can answer tonight? What's happening here? What's happening in the neighborhood? What's going on? I think you could even put some marshmallows on this and make like a little graham cracker dip. Okay, that's it. Going in the oven, our Pizzokie, all right? Comment below, let me know what you would top this with. And I still would like to know if you love cast iron, or if you're new to cast iron, or if you would love to try a piece of cast iron. Definitely let me know. And if you can support the fundraisers, that's cool, no pressure. But maybe hit the share button, tag a friend that you know runs a fundraiser. Oh, there's some extra butter. We're just gonna go like that because why not? Because the cool thing about a Paper Chef fundraiser, it's our entire catalog. So if somebody just wants to buy a spatula, they can buy a spatula. If somebody wants to buy an air fryer, they can buy an air fryer. So there's something for everyone, because if my kids come with another candle or chocolate or whatever stuff that I don't need, I know I'd rather have Paper Chef fundraiser, but I might be a little biased. But that's all I'm saying. Okay, Friday night. Have a good weekend. Thanks for popping in. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Ciao, ciao.